Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to close or reopen tab, move back or forward, scroll up or down using mouse gesture in Chrome browser. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open the Chrome web browser on your respective computer, and in the Google search for one application named as CRX mouse, and you will see a tons of websites. So here we are gonna use it for the Chrome, so just click on the first website link. Now you can see your add to Chrome, just click on it, click on add extension, click on agree. Now just click on this extension icon and just pin it. Now you can see the various settings options inside the CRX mouse. So I'm not gonna make you bored by showing each and every options present inside this application. So here you can see a mouse gesture, right? Just click on it. And now note one thing, which key for mouse gestures. So by default the right mouse button is being selected. So if you want to use it with the middle mouse button, that is a mouse wheel also, you can just select it, or you can use the left mouse button also. So I'm gonna keep it as it is, and you can see on the right side you can just test it. So what you need to do is just press and hold your right mouse button and just swipe towards the right. Now you can see an instruction written forward right. So this is our mouse gesture, just to give you an example. And if you swipe towards the left, now you can see it's showing back options. So now let us check. So let me open a particular website, let me say Google, and let me open more websites. So now in order to perform various actions using your mouse gestures, so let me show you. Say if you want to close this respective tabs, right, using your mouse gesture, what you need to do is just tap and hold your right mouse button and just swipe it down and swipe it right. So you need to swipe in the L shape. As you can see, now you can see the option is showing up, close tab. Now just release your right mouse button. Now it will close the respective tab. So now if you want to reopen this recently closed tab, what you need to do is once again tap and hold the right mouse button and just swipe towards the left and swipe upwards. Now you can see an option showing reopen closed tab. So just release your right mouse button. Now it will reopen the recently closed tabs. So these are the gestures to close or reopen tab. So now if you want to move back or forward, what you need to do is, say you want to move backward, and just tap and hold your right mouse button and just swipe it towards the left. So you can see a backward. And if you want to move forward, then just swipe it towards the right for the forward. And now for the scrolling, what you need to do is, if you want to scroll towards the upward direction, then just tap and hold your right mouse button and just move your mouse cursor towards the top. So you can see scroll up. And if similarly, if you move your mouse cursor towards the down direction, it will show you scroll down. So now if you want to move directly to the top, then what you need to do is just swipe towards the right and towards the upward direction. So you can see scroll to top. And similarly, if you want to scroll directly to the bottom, then just swipe towards the right again and just move your mouse cursor towards downward direction. Now you can see scroll to bottom, and you can release it, and it will directly move to the bottom portion of the respective page. So these are the common gestures, and if you want more gestures, then you can just click on this CRX mouse icon, and you can see all the default gestures icons present on this application itself. So you can try all the gestures, whichever gestures you want, or you can just customize it depending upon change mouse gestures. You can just click on this gestures options. So by using this application as CRX mouse, you can easily close or reopen tab, move back or forward, scroll up or down using mouse gesture in Chrome browser very easily. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.